Hey y'all, welcome to Pleiadian Point of View. I'm Peyton with Peyton Energetics, and I'm a Pleiadian channel and starseed coach. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the biggest and most troubling energies on the planet. This is something that we sometimes refer to as the financial enslavement template. So this is that wonderful story that we have on this planet that you need money to live. Well, as the Pleiadians have told us in many videos, this is not actually energetically true. This is just a story that we have created on Earth. So it is one of the many joys of living on this planet that we are enslaved to money. But this is an energy that is coming up for us to renegotiate to see if we want to continue to buy into this planetary story. So it shows up by wreaking havoc in our lives. We feel like we need more money. We don't have the money. We don't really want to spend time going and getting the money, but this is all part of the energetic story on our planet. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this planetary template and how we can start to move ourselves out of it. But before we dive into this incredibly important topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. So one of the things that is kind of the bane of being human is we need money to live. Or at least we have been socially programmed that that is the case, right? How many of us don't buy into that? This is a story that almost every single human has been programmed with. But as the P's tell us, it's not actually energetically true. This is just something that humanity has told as its story for thousands of years. So we are bombarded with this programming from every part of our world, right? Everything is being monetized. Everything costs money. So one of the reasons why we're seeing an increase in all the stress and attention around money, including how prices have gone up so dramatically, all these stories about shortages and lack, all this is showing us is our higher self is highlighting this belief that we are holding. That's all it is. It's a very deep, very big human collective story. But what is happening as we move into the fifth dimensional energies is our higher self is reminding us that this is not absolute truth. It's just what humans believe. But unfortunately, this is something that we really, really believe. So what do we do about this? Well, one of the ways that you may know if you are someone who is being pulled by your higher self to start letting go of this storyline is that money starts to get very loud in your life. It may be that you are very aware that you need more, very aware that you don't have it. Or it may be that you're starting to question the whole concept of needing money to live on this planet. You're starting to question why we are allowing certain people to control planetary resources. They can only do that if all of humanity goes along with it. So many of us are starting to question the financial enslavement template, some way or somehow. So one way to identify this in your life is just ask yourself, where is money being highlighted as a problem? For a lot of people right now, this is coming up around jobs, either feeling the need to change jobs, feeling like you don't want to have a job, period, feeling like this is not what you want to be doing with your life. So this can show up in lots and lots of different ways. But what this is showing us is our higher self is bringing our attention to a very deep, very heavy human story and asking us if we are going to continue to buy into it. And these collective stories are just bigger, stronger, older collective beliefs. But this financial enslavement story is one that is so aggressively cranked out at us on this planet. It is challenging to get out of it because the people who benefit from this structure crank out and keep the fear energy high. They keep selling the stories of lack. They keep selling the stories of why and how prices are increasing. So all of this is how this energy is fighting back it benefits certain people. So what is happening is the collective is starting to question this, especially light workers and starseeds who are starting to recognize that they're just not interested in participating in this anymore. So what do we do about it? Well, this is what we sometimes refer to as a planetary energy, which means it's not our personal stuff, right? This is something that the whole planet has been suckered into, this false belief that we need money to live on this planet. So this is what we sometimes refer to as a planetary template energy. And that just means it's a massive energy. Touches all of us. It is something that our higher self had to agree to for us to be born onto this planet. But here's the thing. We have now left the 3D consciousness grid. We are no longer bound by the old human stories, but we have to know how to exit them energetically. This is not something that's going to respond to our typical energy tools, because most of the tools that we have in the spiritual community were meant to help us with our normal human stuff, not to make changes to massive collective contracts. So when we start to be bringing to our conscious mind that we're kind of done with this whole idea of financial enslavement, having to pay to live on our planet, having to pay other humans for the resources on our planet. It's crazy when you think about it, that we have actually bought into allowing certain people or groups to say, I own the water, I own the power. It's absolute insanity when you start to think about it from a higher dimensional perspective. So what we want to do is we want to start releasing ourselves from these very old, sticky energies. But we need certain special tools to do that. Our typical tools in the spiritual community don't work on this level of energy. This is why I've been talking in so many videos over the past year of the importance of having appropriate energy tools, because you could be using your ordinary garden variety spiritual tools on this belief from now until the end of time and not shake this energy. Our tools have to be appropriate to the level of energy that we are working on. And now most light workers and starseeds, we're not working on the individual stuff anymore. We're working on these huge planetary stories. So you need special tools. So it's very important to be making sure that whatever teachers you are following, whoever your mentor is, your spiritual teachers, your coaches, even just the people you follow, that they are teaching you appropriate energy tools. Otherwise, you will be bringing these issues to your conscious mind, knowing that you want to let this stuff go, but you won't have the proper tools to do it. These energies do not respond to just any tool. So getting appropriate tools from your teachers to move through planetary level energies is super important right now. So the Pleiadians are encouraging everyone, make sure that you have proper energy tools. That's how we start to release ourselves from the spider web that is some of these big planetary stories. So this is an energy that is coming up for a lot of us. And the way that you know it's coming up is money is somehow an issue in your life. Either you need it, you want it, or you don't have it. So this is something that we are all collectively re-evaluating. And we have the option to step out of these collective contracts. You just have to have the right tools to do it. So very, very important in these energies. So that's what I have for you in this week's POV, just bringing our attention to this template that has come up for us to reconsider it. Decide if we are going to continue to go along with it. And if not, to steer us in the direction of finding the right tools and teachers to help you let this go. So very big stuff coming up in the energies right now around money, finances. We're seeing it everywhere in the world around us. This is why. So that's what I've got for you this week. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you haven't done that yet. And if you want to learn all the tools that the Pleiadians talk about in these videos, like the proper tools for releasing planetary energies, very important stuff, then just click the link in the description to work with me one-on-one. I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.